Alright, we're checking on Firework, the Korean version official performance music video. Yeah, if you want to check out the full reaction to the album, First Howling Now, we did that over our Patreon. The link is down in the description. But yeah, let's give us a listen. So we already listened to this song, which is the song is a banger, but we haven't seen the Korean version or the official performance. Okay, A-Team. Dude, who are these guys, man? They're so good. I love it. I also like the dance performance a little bit more, I feel like, because you get to see like the whole choreography. I love this track. What the hell? They're just straight up making bangers after banger. Oh, so easy to listen to. I love this. I'm just remembering how much of a good song this is. Woo. The energy, I just love the energy on this track, honestly. They're so good. I love it. I also like the dance performance a little bit more, I feel like, because you get to see like the whole choreography. Woo. Those harmonies are here. Boom. Boom. Again, man, those harmonies are so good. I really like an airport. Oh, my favorite part of this song, hands down. It's just on like their feet. Woo. Like I said, man, the energy that these guys put out is insane. Firework. So freaking good. It was actually nice seeing it in Korean. I don't really know if I prefer it to the original. I think I prefer maybe the original a bit more. But it was super nice seeing the official performance, or like the dance performance, right? To see the whole choreography. But again, if you want to check out the whole album, we reacted to it over our Patreon. The link is down in the description to First Howling Now with all the songs, all 18 songs. It's over there, so if you want to check it out, we do tons of K-pop content there, album reactions, album breakdowns, song breakdowns. We also do like K-dramas and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one, so stay safe, much love, take care, peace, and